we're going to show you how to use the Ziro app to configure the glove. So first of all, we got to make sure that we are connected to our glove. On this case, my glove kit ID is 163. So I connect to this Wi-Fi. The password should be Ziro kits, all together lowercase. If you get a message unable to connect to network or wrong password, you can just ignore it and try to connect again with the same password. Then we should be able to quickly connect to the glove. After we are successfully connected, we go ahead and open the Ziro app. Now let's click on glove control. So first of all, we click on custom robot. And the first thing that I want to show you is on the bottom left of your screen. You'll see the connection status with the glove. This shows you if the communication between the app and the glove is established. If you see a message glove not connected in red, just click on the connection status to fix the connection. If that doesn't work, go back to the Wi-Fi settings on your phone and check if your phone is connected to the glove Wi-Fi. Now I bring the glove back to show you one more feature on the bottom right of your screen. You should be able to see the button Ping Glove. If you click on this button, you'll be able to see the glove LED blinking green and red, as we can see in here. Now let's move on to the glove configuration. If I want to configure how the modules will react when I pitch the glove forward, I just click on the forward button, and here I select which colors will respond to this gesture. So if I want the modules with the blue color to move counterclockwise when I do this gesture, I just click on the blue module on the screen and I select the counterclockwise arrow. If I also want, while bending forward, the green modules to move clockwise, I select the green modules on my screen and I click on the clockwise arrow. Now after that, I can hit OK and I can see that the configuration is saved. If I want, when I move my index finger, the indigo color modules to move 180 degrees clockwise, I just repeat the procedure for that gesture in that color. And I can also, for example, configure the violet modules to move 180 degrees counterclockwise. There are unlimited things I can do here. So if I want to move my thumb and have the color green modules move 180 degrees clockwise, I can just do that. Now to send the configuration to the glove, I just bring my glove close and I hit the send to glove. We see the glove LED blink in red and white when the configuration is received from the app. If I want to see what configuration I currently have on the glove, I can just click on the button From Glove, hit Yes, and then I hit Review, and here I can see the configuration that is currently saved on my glove. If I want to send a pre-configured ROVER configuration, for example, to the glove, I can just hit ROVER Robot on the Program Glove menu, and here I can see the colors that I need to use on the ROVER and the correct orientation of them and how to control the ROVER with the glove. Now here, when I click Send to Glove, the app shows configuration sent, and we can see the glove blinking when it receives the configuration from the app.